This video is going to look at crowd and collective behaviour. So your specification states that you need to know about pro-social and anti-social behaviour in crowds. And you need to be able to identify and explain how a social factor, de-individuation, affects collective behaviour. So a few key terms here. First, the word collective behaviour. When we see this word, it means behaviours that occur when a group of people who join together, they're collective. And the group behaves in a way that's different to the way individuals will behave when they're on their own. And then we've got the term de-individuation. Now this is a psychological state when an individual loses their personal identity. So it might happen if you're wearing a mask or a uniform and you appear anonymous. You lose your sense of yourself and you lose your personal identity. So to do this, Zimbardo conducted a de-individuation study, and he wanted to see whether de-individuation impacts whether someone gives someone else an electric shock. So we had two groups of female participants, and they were asked to take part in a replication of Milgram's obedience experiment. Group 1 wore their own clothes and had large name tags on, and they were able to see each other. Group 2, the participants wore a large coat and a hood that hid their face, and they were never referred to by their real name. Now, the participants in Group 2, where they were anonymous, were far more likely to give the learner a shock because they didn't feel responsible for their actions. And what Zimbardo concluded was that anonymity and de-individuation increase the likelihood that people will act anti-socially.